With so many layoffs going around the world, people are looking for ways to take back control of their lives. And the way that you can take back control of your life is by starting your own business. So you have so many people now that are doing side hustles to make extra cash. And they're turning that side hustle into a full-time business. If you have a side hustle that you want to do and you're looking to grow that, listen, you need a website. Because by having a website, you can be able to reach more people, you can generate more revenue, and you can build a solid brand off of that. So many people right now are stressed, they're frustrated. The job that they depended on for so long is no longer there. So now is the opportunity for you to do something about it. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle, let me tell you, now is the best time to do so.